Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by enabling language interpretation in your Zoom account and immediately scheduling the meeting. Make sure you add interpreter emails and assign source and target languages so they receive invites. This prevents last-minute scrambling. Once done, enable the interpretation option under Meeting Options and confirm your default audio settings. You want interpreters to join early, so instruct them to test microphone and headset. This step prepares the infrastructure. You'll move straight into managing channels when the meeting begins. During the meeting, open the interpretation panel and verify each interpreter's assigned channel. You can reassign roles on the fly if someone drops. Explain the two-channel workflow. Interpreters listen to the original audio and speak only on their assigned language channel to avoid feedback. Make sure you and moderators mute when not speaking, and remind participants to select their language from the globe icon so they hear the correct channel. If you need to add a language, stop briefly, assign the interpreter, then resume. To finish, stop interpretation in the panel before ending the meeting so channels close cleanly, and then end the session. Afterward, save cloud recordings and look for separate audio tracks if your plan supports them. These help post-meeting review. If something goes wrong, first verify the interpreter's microphone and headset, confirm participants selected a language channel, and check network bandwidth. If problems persist, reassign the interpreter or have them reconnect. Often a quick rejoin resolves latency or audio routing issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.